guys, it's Sherika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So on today's video, I actually forgot to do an intro for the video, so I'm doing that now. And when you guys watch the video, you'll see that I look nothing like this, honey. I look beat down, okay? I look like I belong to nobody. Okay. So I went to Target, HomeGoods, Trader Joe's. So of course I wanted to take you guys with me. I found some really nice things. So if you guys are new here, I just recently moved into a new place and I am in the process of decorating my new place. So I've been doing a lot of shop with me's. My shop with me's are more on the vlog side. That's just the way that I like to do mine. I just like to take you around the store, let you look. I don't really do like a voiceover or anything like that. And then if I pick something up, then I'll show you guys at the end. I am trying to style my shelf that I picked up from IKEA. You guys know that I finally got my hands on one last week. Tony put it up and I pulled a couple of things that I already had around the house and put it on it just to play around a little bit, but I plan on adding some more pieces and removing some of the things that I placed on the shelf. So I'm going to show you guys how the shelf looks right now. This is what I have on it so far, and like I said, this stuff is not permanent. This is just some of the things that I had around the house. Now I will keep this guy here. He's from HomeGoods. This bowl, I don't think I showed you guys this bowl, but I picked this bowl up from HomeGoods last week. It's so pretty. I love the texture on it, and I think I paid $19.99 for that bowl. And then I'll be keeping my Chanel book and my Tom Ford book up here. It's already collecting dust up here, and I just got this shelf like last week. It's crazy. And then I have my little horse. This will be up here. The books will be up here, but I don't know if this is the exact spot that I'll keep it, but these are the things that's going to stay on the shelf. So I picked this horse up from At Home. I think he was like $25. And then that's just a random book from the Dollar Tree. This will be staying, maybe this is a maybe, this ball. I like to call it my little crystal ball, but I picked this up from HomeGoods a while ago. This was like 25 bucks. Then I have my Elements of Style book, the Kinfolk Home book, and then these books down here. These are just random books, and I think I have like even like 2 cookbooks, just just because I was trying to feel the vibe. This is what I'm going for, so I got to find more books. And then I just have this up here. I got that bowl from At Home, and then the beads from HomeGoods, and this probably won't stay. And then I have my plant back there. The plant will be staying back there, just because shelves like this usually would go against the wall, but because of the setup that I have up here, I can't put it against the wall, so I didn't have a choice but to do caddy corner. And I wanted something in this corner because I have my couch here and the other couch here, so this was the space that I was working with. But I do like it, but I didn't want the corner to look so empty, so I decided to place the plant in the back, and I actually like the way that that looks. So that plant name is Tyrone. Little Tony named that plant Tyrone, so we going with Tyrone. Okay, now y'all know that that is my favorite type of plant. I had a plant like that before and the plant died on me, child. So we gonna see what we can do with this one. Let me tell y'all what just happened. So I'm sitting at the light and I'm on my phone, but I could still, like, I'm paying attention to my surroundings. So I see, I look up, I see some movement, so I look up in my rear view mirror and I see this dude getting out of the car. So I'm looking like on the side to see like, what is he doing? He comes up, looks in my car, and then jump back in his car. Like he thought I was somebody else, but that could have went real bad. Like, what are you doing? Like, that was so scary for me, y'all. Like, don't do that. Cause boy, no, I'm kidding. But no, like, that's what he did. Like, he had like dreads or whatever, his hair pulled up, he had his mask pulled down. And he gonna come up and just look at my car and then jump back in his car. Like, what are you doing, fool? This is not your baby mama. Hell, don't get nothing started. much is it? $20. Oh, I might get one of these. I think this would be cute for my shelf. Alright, y'all, so I am leaving Target, and I did find some cute little stuff. And that little chair is so cute. It puts me in the mind of like that teddy bear coat. So cute. So cute. So I'm gonna head over to I want to go to a different Target, so I'll probably go to, oh yes, and I need to go to Trader Joe's because I need me some edamame, and I want to get some hash browns, and I want to get those it's like these shrimp patties. A girl that I follow on Instagram, she had them and she said it was pretty good, so I want to try those. So I'm gonna get the shrimp patties, the hash browns, the edamame, and I think that's it. And I only like to get it from Trader Joe's. I probably get some of the orange chicken. Everybody loves the orange chicken at Trader Joe's. Everybody. Little Tony loves it. So I might get a bag of that, and I can add like some broccoli and stuff with it, and cook up some rice and have that for dinner for little Tony. So that would be good. And what else? So I'm gonna go to Target over here, HomeGoods, and Trader Joe's, and then that's it. Then I'm going back home. And I'll show you guys what I picked up. That sounds like fun, right? Alright, let's see what they playing on the radio. I'm here at HomeGoods. It is 10:09. See, that's how you do it. 10:09, honey. It's a lot of people in here though. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. I just met a subscriber.
Yes, love her videos. You guys make sure you keep watching.
Alright, y'all, so I just met a subscriber. He was so sweet. He was finding some good stuff too. Alright, y'all, so I just met a subscriber. He was so sweet. He found some good stuff too. So now I'm at Target. This is the bougie Target, so they should have like a lot of good stuff. And then I'm going to Trader Joe's, and then I already told y'all this. Y'all don't want to hear this over and over again, but okay, bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I'm back home and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I picked up. I picked up 2 bags of the mandarin orange chicken, beef and broccoli, vegetable spring rolls, chicken spring rolls, cheese pizza, hash browns, my favorite salsa, grapes, shrimp seafood burgers, portobello mushrooms, 2 bags of the lightly salted edamame, and that is everything that I picked up from Trader Joe's. I plan on doing some stuffed mushrooms with these. I'm gonna do like some crab and shrimp. So that's gonna be really good. And then this girl that I follow on Instagram, she always gets these. So I wanted to try them. They look so good on the box. They probably don't look like this, but it looks good to me. So I'm gonna try these. I am so excited. I think I might have one right now because I haven't had anything to eat. Did you guys see that chair? I like to call chairs like that the teddy bear chair. I think I seen a chair similar to that one on Kim Kardashian's Instagram page. That chair is so pretty. They also have one at home. And I think at home it's like $350 or something like that, but it's a little bigger than that one. But I really like that chair a lot. So I might go back and get that chair tomorrow, but I have to have my husband with me to make sure it can fit in the car. I'm gonna show him a picture tonight and ask him if he thinks the chair would fit in the car, and if he says, then I'm getting that chair tomorrow if they have it, for sure, because it looks so good in my bedroom. So the first thing I picked up was this Studio Mcgee figurine, and it is so nice. Look at that, y'all. I thought it was pretty cool. I want to try to incorporate more gold on my shelf, so I picked this up. Now I've seen something like this before at HomeGoods, and I actually saw one today when I went to HomeGoods. It's a little smaller, but it's pretty much the same price. So I thought this was cool, and this is the first thing that I have by Studio Mcgee, so I'm so excited. Maybe I'll make this a thumbnail. Okay, cute. The next thing that I picked up was, what is this called? It is a knot, and this is how it looks. And I really like the texture on this. They had maybe like 2 or 3 different ones. So this one is more like a cement type texture. That's the best way I can describe it. The other one was a lot smoother than this one, but I wanted to go with this one because I just thought that it looked nicer to me. So this was 20 bucks, and then the other one, this one was also 20 bucks. So pick both of these up. I'll probably put this one in here in the studio somewhere. And then this one will be going on my IKEA shelf. And then, yeah, I really want that. I just cannot stop thinking about that chair. And that's how I know I need that chair. The last thing I picked up was this gold ground flatware set. It's a 20-piece set. And this one was, I want to say $30 maybe. This is stainless steel, and you can put it in a dishwasher if you're into that. I only put my dishes in the dishwasher to dry, but if you want to put your stuff in the dishwasher, it is safe for the dishwasher. And it includes 4 dinner forks, 4 salad forks, 4 dinner knives, 4 dinner spoons, and 4 teaspoons. So love that. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Iamsherikab, and I will see you guys on the next video.